Electrical traction 1 power supply arrangements MCQ. Q1. What is the supply voltage required to run Indian Railways? A. 25 kilovolts. B. 30 kilovolts. C. 35 kilovolts. D. 40 kilovolts. E. 45 kilovolts. Correct answer. A. 25 kilovolts. Q2. What is the supply frequency required to run Indian Railways? A. 25 Hz. B. 40 Hz. C. 50 Hz. D. 60 Hz. E. 70 Hz. Correct answer. C. 50 Hz. Q3. How many phases are required to run Indian Railways? A. 1O. B. 2O. C. 3O. D. 4O. E. 5O. Correct answer. A. 1O traction supply single phase AC aste. Q4. What is the typical voltage rating of a traction substation? A. 11 kilovolts, 415 volts. B. 33 kilovolts, 11 kilovolts. C. 132 kilovolts, 25 kilovolts. D. 132 kilovolts, 33 kilovolts. E. 132 kilovolts, 11 kilovolts. Correct answer. C. 132 kilovolts, 25 kilovolts grid Varun 132 kilovolts state 25 kilovolts traction Sati step down. Q5. What is the voltage rating of transformer used in a typical traction substation? A. 132 kilovolts, 11 kilovolts. B. 132 kilovolts, 25 kilovolts. C. 132 kilovolts, 33 kilovolts. D. 132 kilovolts, 66 kilovolts. E. 132 kilovolts, 132 kilovolts. Correct answer. B. 132 kilovolts, 25 kilovolts. Q6. What is the maximum distance between a typical traction substation and feeding post? A. 0.5 kilometers. B. 1 kilometer. C. 1.5 kilometers. D. 2 kilometers. E. 2.5 kilometers. Correct answer. D. 2 kilometers feeding post. A. साधारणपणे TSS पासून 1 to 2 kilometers अंतरावर असतो. Note: TSS ते TSS अंतर 30 to 45 kilometers असते, ते वेगट आहे. Q.10 In order to avoid imbalance at certain substations, which transformer connection is used? A. Delta delta. B. Scott. C. Star star. D. Star delta. E. Delta star. Correct answer. B. Scott 3-phase right pointing arrow 2 single phase conversion साठी वापरतात.